In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning progress bars in Notion. We're going to build this step by step, right inside a Notion page, so you can follow along on your own workspace. Start by opening the page where you want your progress bars to live. In the body of the page, type my database. Notion will show you a list of database options based on that command. From that list, choose Database Inline. This creates a small table directly on your page instead of opening a full-page database. Inline is perfect if you want your progress bars to sit alongside notes, text, or other content. You'll see a basic table with a few default columns. Now we need to set up the data that your progress bars will be based on. At the top of the table, click on Add Property. This is how you add a new column to your database. From the property types, click on Number. This new number property will store the value of your progress, like a percentage or a count of completed tasks. Give this property a clear name, such as progress value or completion percent, so you know exactly what it represents later. Next, set up your data. Go through the rows in your database and enter numbers into this column. For example, you might type 25, 50, 75, or 100 if you're tracking percent complete, or any other scale that makes sense for your workflow. The key is that this column will feed into your progress bar formula. Now we'll create the actual progress bar. At the top of the table, click on the plus sign to add another property. This time, instead of choosing number, select formula. This formula property will convert the number you just entered into a visual bar. Click in the space below formula to open the formula editor. Here, you'll create a formula that translates your numeric value into a bar style display, usually by repeating characters based on the percentage. Take a moment to reference your number property inside the formula so the bar can react to your data. Once your formula is created, make sure the formula property is set to display as a number compatible format, then click on the number display options and select a bar style. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts. Notion gives you to adjust the bar appearance, such as choosing the bar length or formatting, until you're happy with how it looks.